Okay, today I want to show you basic posting in WordPress. So let's go over here to posts and then add new. Okay, first thing you're going to see up here is all these different buttons. There's actually another row here that you don't see. So if you don't see this in your dashboard, you want to click what's called the kitchen sink here. And that reveals a whole nother row of buttons for you to use, because you're going to want some of these at some point anyway. Okay, first thing you want to remember to always do with your posts is to add a title. If you don't, it will show up as a bunch of numbers. There, we have a title. Then of course you want content, and you'll note that the title of your post showed up above here. If you decide to change your post title before you publish it, you can always click this edit button and then you can just put in here what the new post title is going to be. You don't want to change that after your posts are published, however, because then the link on the internet will then be invalid. So just something to think about. I'm going to go switch sites here. We don't want to watch me type because I'm really slow. So we're going to cheat. There. Here is the body of my post. It's just some stuff I wrote up quick about things you want to make sure that you remember to post, or put in your post, excuse me. If you can't finish your post, you can always come over here and you can click Save Draft. It will save the post, and then you can come back and you can finish it later. So that's kind of handy. Visibility, usually you just leave this on public. If your theme features it, you can use stick this post to the front page. This is password protected, meaning you'd have to have a password to access this post, but if you post a post like this on your site, people are apt to email you, contact you if they can, and ask you for the password, so that's not the best idea. Private means only the admins of the site can see that post. Maybe you want to store a bunch of photographs of different posts and whatnot in there so they're easily accessible for you or something like that. Here you have your preview button, so let's go ahead and push that. Sometimes WordPress opens this in a different window, which is my preference. Sometimes it will open it in the same window, which it just did now, which I don't like because then sometimes you lose some of the contents of your post. But now you can see what the post looks like when it's on the site, actually. So you can look at it first and then decide if there's anything you would like to change before publishing it. I'm gonna go back here and hope it's all there. Yeah, my title's gone. There's also up here you see restore the backup. Okay, that will often take care of it for you and add back in what was missing. And it goofed up the order of my post here. There we go, that's better. Then over here you see publish. When you hit that, obviously the post will publish. Format, you will often have a bunch of different formats to use, as you see here. Usually you can just leave this in standard, so I hardly ever do anything with that. It's really not necessary. Then your categories here, and I don't have one that I want, so I'm going to add a category. You can do this a lot of ways, but you can do it right here from your post. If you have menu setup though, you need to remember to go back and add this category to your menu, otherwise it will not appear. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. Add new category. Okay, then down here you'll see what's called tags. You always want to use tags. Tags are just words that, well, keywords out of your post that will enable people to find your posts on the internet. You can type them in one at a time and then click add or enter, or just put a comma there and keep adding them. Click add, and there they are. Down here you will see featured image. Some themes require this. They won't function properly without it. Just basic themes like this one I'm using here to show you this, I don't have to have a featured image, and on some themes it actually doesn't look right. So you just have to put one in there and see if you like it, unless it's required, like I said, in your theme. What else do we need to look at here? You can also change your screen options as far as in your posts. This one shows the format, categories, tags, featured image that you usually want to leave there. Excerpt, I don't use that. Custom fields, trackbacks, I don't really use any of that. Discussion, if you want the comments to appear in your post, you can click that. The slug, that's just what shows up from the category, I believe. Let's see, let's click that and see what it adds here. Yeah, you don't see it yet till it's published. Author, if it's a multi-author site and you're the admin, you will see all the authors. Like here, I have 2 authors on this site now. Otherwise, it would just show you. If you're going to add a link to your post, say that you're going to have a link up here at the top of your post to WordPress posting basics. Then you type the title of what you want your link to be, highlight it, then go up here to this link. This one here actually breaks links that you already have. Click this, and then you would put in here the URL, whatever you want to use, wherever it's linking to, another page in your site or another public website, whatever. Title, what we just typed down there, WordPress posting basics, blah blah blah. And then you would click add link, and then this text here would then be linkable. And I think that's about all we need to look at for just the bare bones basics of how to make a post. As we go through more things, we will look at more of what to do here. Okay, well, again, thanks for watching.